January has always been a quiet month for humanity, cold, dark, forgotten. But for the sky, January has never been silent. In January 2026, while most people are looking down at their phones, the universe will be performing a rare sequence meteors burning the night, a swollen moon rising like an ancient omen, and a giant planet watching from the darkness. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people will miss all of it. Not because it isn't happening, but because they didn't know when to look up. Tonight, let me tell you the story of January 2026 and the celestial events you should not ignore. Long before calendars and clocks, ancient sky watchers feared sudden streaks of light. They believed the heavens were tearing open. Today, we call them meteors. In early January 2026, the Quadrantid Meteor Shower returns one of the strongest meteor showers Earth experiences. Unlike famous showers that linger for days, the quadrantids are cruelly brief. They peak for only a few hours. Miss that window, and the show is over. These meteors are fast, sharp, bright. They feel sudden, like the universe snapping its fingers. For ancient observers, this was a warning. For us, it's a reminder. Time doesn't wait. When the quadrantids peak, dozens of meteors can tear through the atmosphere every hour, burning up after traveling millions of miles, just to exist for a fraction of a second. For you, a few nights later, the moon begins to swell, not literally, but visually. In January 2026, we'll witness a supermoon when the moon's orbit carries it unusually close to Earth. To ancient civilizations, this was terrifying. A larger moon meant stronger tides, unstable seas, restless nights. Some believed it pulled madness into human minds. Today, we understand the science, but the feeling hasn't changed. The moon will rise bigger, brighter, and heavier in the sky. Cities will glow differently. Shadows will sharpen. And for a moment, the night will feel ancient again. This is the same moon that watched over empires rising and collapsing. The same moon that guided sailors across oceans with no maps. In January 2026, it comes closer briefly before drifting away again. While meteors flash and the moon swells, something massive waits patiently. Jupiter. To ancient astronomers, Jupiter was a god, a king, a moving light that refused to behave like the others. In January 2026, Jupiter dominates the night sky, brighter than almost every star around it. Even without a telescope, it demands attention. With simple binoculars, you can see its moonsteiny worlds dancing around a giant. Just as Galileo saw centuries ago when he realized something shocking. Not everything revolves around us. Jupiter has been watching Earth for billions of years. Civilizations rose under its glow. wars were fought beneath it. And in January 2026, it shines against eddy.com, unbothered by human urgency. Late in the month, something subtle happens. The moon drifts close to Jupiter in the sky, not touching, not colliding, just sharing the frame. These moments don't change physics, but they change perspective. They remind us how temporary our distractions are and how constant the universe is. January 2026 will pass whether you watch or not. The meteors will burn, the moon will swell and shrink. Jupiter will keep shining. The universe doesn't announce itself loudly. It rewards those who pay attention. So pick a night. Step outside and look up, because some moments only exist once, and missing them is the real tragedy.